we're looking at Netflix here on the weekly chart. You can see we ended the day 12.45, up around $6 on the day. Not a bad way to start the week overall, although it was only $6 on a $1,200 stock. But hey, we'll take it. We're still in the green overall. Now, where does that kind of put us here on this chart? We can see we've been wrapped around this 1240 level. We finally closed above it once more here. So we're going to see if we can hold those 1240s. If not, that is going to become our resistance. But if we are above it, then that's going to be our immediate support. Resistance wise, what are we looking at now that we are above it though? Nice whole numbers on the way up until we get to 1300. That's basically what we're going to kind of chalk everything up to in here. Everything is looking forward to that $1,300 level. Anything below 1240, it's going to be the $1,200 level, right? So basically nice whole numbers on the way down as you're going to 12, nice whole numbers on the way up as you're going to 13, because basically within the next 2 weeks, your expected move is going to be either 13 or 12. So if it comes sooner, I would not be surprised, right? So that's what everybody's pricing in. In 2 weeks, you have around a $42 expected move. So both of those numbers are definitely on the table. We got to see what the overall market does and where's that going to push us. You can also say this 9-day EMA could carry some weight for us in here. That's sitting right around that 1217. So perhaps if we get a pullback in here, right around a $30 expected move is what we're pricing in by this Friday. So that level is on the table as well, that 9-day EMA. If we do pull back and get a bounce there before we get to the big psychological 1200, we bounce off that 1217, that wouldn't be surprising as well. So again, kind of easy in here, right? So just 1200, 1300, look at it that way, and then nice whole numbers on the way up, nice whole numbers on the way down. Your expected move in a couple weeks is going to be have both those levels contained in that. So we'll see what happens as we work our way throughout the rest of this week in here. Overall, net flow in here was bearish to neutral in here. If not, it flipped more bearish towards the end of the day. Your open interest for your puts did drop as well as the calls, and same thing happened on the volume in here. So kind of take that for what it's worth in here. Basically, not a whole lot of action going on throughout the whole market today, not a whole lot of action in here. So we're just going to look at it as 1240 is going to be the number in here. Anything above that, nice whole numbers on the way up till we get to 1300. Anything below 1240, nice whole numbers on the way down till we get to 1200. We could get a bounce off that 9-day EMA sitting at 1217 right now. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.